Good afternoon, crypto millionaires. I'm Jessica in the studio, bringing you the latest on XRP's dynamic month. Our first story focuses on bullish price projections and major strategic moves from Ripple, including their acquisition of Rail Financial and the launch of their RLUSD stablecoin. These developments have sparked talk of a historic rally for XRP. For more details on this technical setup and why analysts believe XRP is entering its strongest phase, we turn to our field reporter, Raul.
Thanks, Jessica. The spotlight is on XRP's price chart today, where respected analyst Davey Satoshi highlights a textbook Elliott wave structure, suggesting the corrective phase is complete and a major upswing may be underway. His projections put potential prices between $8 and $30 based on historical patterns. This optimism is further supported by Ripple's acquisition of Rail Financial, a key payment rail processing about 10% of all stablecoin transactions, and the anticipated launch of RLUSD, Ripple's new stablecoin. By integrating Rail's flows into the XRP Ledger, Ripple could vastly expand utility and transaction volume, particularly for on-demand liquidity services. These technical and fundamental factors are creating what some analysts call a too clean to ignore setup for future gains.
Thanks, Raul. While bullish sentiment is strong, investors should be aware of emerging risks. The second top XRP story this week reveals that Binance reserves have reached an all-time high, over 3.57 billion XRP now held on the exchange. This marks a surge in inflows and raises questions about market volatility and investor intentions. For an in-depth look at what these reserves might mean and the signals for cautious trading, we go to Rachel, reporting Lakeside.
Thank you, Jessica. The surge in XRP held on Binance, an increase of 670 million tokens since the start of September, is typically seen as a sign that investors may be preparing to realize profits or minimize losses. High exchange reserves often precede large market moves, and analysts caution that a decisive price swing could soon occur, especially with XRP trading at key 2.7-2.8 support levels. On-chain data also shows a drop in XRPL total value, locked and waning interest in Google Trends. These factors, combined with the fresh influx to Binance, mean investors should keep a close eye on market developments. Whether this signals an incoming sell-off or preps for a new rally will depend on XRP's next reaction at these crucial price levels.
Thank you, Rachel. As we've seen, XRP is at the crossroads of major expansion moves and cautionary signals. Whether you're excited about new price targets or concerned about growing exchange reserves, staying informed is key in this rapidly evolving landscape. For more updates and analysis on XRP, hit like, subscribe, and let us know your predictions in the comments. Are you bullish on Ripple's innovations, or do you think the Binance surge signals a pullback? We'll keep tracking the biggest moves in crypto for you. This is Jessica for Crypto Millionaires. See you next time.